This will be the fourth time that I've enlarged my workshop over the last 8 years. There's just my wife and I at home now. Our kids are growing up and gone, the grandchildren are bigger, and I really don't need this wall that you're looking at to separate the workshop from the rest of the basement. So if I take it out, I can push out into the hallway. It'll give me a little bit more room. People who have seen my workshop videos say, "Boy, you sure have a big workshop." Well, actually, it's not that big. It's because I'm using a wide-angle lens here on the camera. It makes it look a lot wider than it really is. And I'm not as wide as I look either. Okay, the wall is down, and those shelves that you saw me taking down have been relocated into an old closet. Now, I do have better clothes than what you see here, but I had just finished painting those shelves and I still had my painting outfit on. Actually, it's pretty comfortable. And my wife's going to be happy she's got her laundry basket back. A lot of times when I'm down in my workshop, I make a lot of racket. And that wall that I just took down was a real good sound barrier to keep the noise from going up the stairs. So what I'm going to try and do here is use those doors that I took out of the closet as a bit of a sound barrier. Hey, am I resourceful or what? I used the same kind of paint that I did in the main workshop so it would sort of blend in. But the doors were a bit of a brown color and they didn't cover too good with just one coat of white. So I'm giving them a second coat. I know you can't see it too good except maybe way back at the back wall there, but the baseboards in the main workshop were just 1x3s painted green. And I wanted to do the same thing in the new area so it sort of match up. Keep it looking sort of workshop-y. Okay, all the green trim is on, and now you're going to get to see why I wanted this extra room. All my heavy machines are on wheels and they're pretty easy to move, and what I needed was a parking spot to put them in and get them out of the main working area, give me a lot more elbow room. And this new renovation does exactly that. And I sure do like this idea for keeping the noise from going up the stairs. I hope you watch for my next project. It'll be called the Consistory Room Clock.